Oh, Ted! Daddy.
Dude, you need a seat for your bike.
I learned that quickly. This was a hard ride.
Yeah.
I'll be standing for a while. Thanks for inviting me back, my friend.
My pleasure.
Last time we were here, I wasn't sure you were going to have me back.
Well, my wife said I could.
You know, maybe you could teach me how to make like a sweet potato. Could we do something like that, a sweet potato?
Yes.
Here, Ted. Hold on. Let's go. It's a sweet potato for you to cook.
Sweet potato.
There you go. Will you
All
cook
right.
that?
That's, you know what this is going to need?
What?
A serious scrubbing.
Yeah, I guess
So-
you should clean it up.
You should always wash your vegetables. And a sweet potato is one of the easiest things to cook. A tuber.
A tuber. Okay.
Yes. And
What does that mean?
It's like it grows in the ground.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay. And it looks kind of like a tube.
That makes sense.
Okay. So it's a sweet potato. You get your grill, and you can do this on a gas grill. You get it up to about 400 degrees.
Okay.
Don't have to do anything. Don't have to put salt on it. Don't have to put anything. And
Look at
I've got
that.
them. I've got them in here. They start to roast, and they start to puff up a bit. You see how the skin is breaking away, and you see the sugars of the sweet potato coming out. This takes about an hour. This away, right?
Is this about the same as a regular potato? Be about an hour? Same
About
deal?
an hour, like
Okay.
a big baked potato.
Yeah, yeah.
For sure, for sure. Right, if it's still not puffing up,
Okay.
let it go. Put it down there. So we're gonna melt a little bit of butter. In this hot sun, it's nice and simple.
Yeah, you don't even need the barbecue
No.
on.
We're gonna take mandarin. You can use an orange, a mandarin, a tangerine, a clementine,
Okay.
whatever citrus you want to put on there, but orange is kind of nice, and you're gonna char it. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna heat up the juices inside the orange,
Okay.
bring out the sweetness, the natural sweetness of it, and then we're gonna squeeze that juice into that butter. Grand Marnier shot. We're gonna
Beautiful
finish
thing.
it right now by putting about an ounce.
What was the drink? My father used to have it all the time, daily. The rusty nail, the Drambuie Scotch.
And then we're gonna take a little bit of Carrick Brothers maple syrup. We're gonna put in about a half a cup of that. Take a little bit of this juice, squeeze it over, add that in. Put it back down on the grill. There's still lots of juice in these.
Oh, you're a good man, Joel. Thank you, sir. Vodka soda, beautiful.
So now you're gonna take an
Cheers to
injection
the potato.
syringe.
Okay.
And this mixture, you can let it keep melting, but you got the, so here you got the Grand Marnier, the
Yeah.
maple syrup, the butter, the orange juice, and then you inject it inside.
Watch
And
this.
do this very slowly.
Yes, or it'll come squirting out at you,
You know,
right?
right in the eye. And turn your heat down because it's butter, so you're gonna get flare-ups. Push in.
That looks great.
It's very, very simple. It's not complicated at all. Just pull that. You see how it comes apart, just like that? But look at that caramel color. That's not from the butter going in, that's the natural from just the cooking. Take a spoon, make a little well in there.
Yeah. Oh, we know something's going on top of this.
Well, now you take some more of that sweet, sweet buttery syrup, drizzle it all in there. If you don't have rosemary, you can use sage or thyme. Just a little bit of fresh herb, a touch of salt and pepper. Add a little bit of smoked salt to it too. You
Okay.
can buy it in the grocery store.
okay.
Just gives a little bit of a hint of extra smokiness to it.
Okay.
All right, and then just dive on in like that. And I guarantee you, this will be the best sweet potato you ever eat in your entire life.
Well, you know what? Honestly, I'm not a huge sweet potato fan, but this might change it for me.
Well, I hope it does.
Thank you.
Cheers,
Cheers.
my friend.
Cheers.
And that just melts.
Yes,
Tender.
yes.
Between your tongue.
Wow, it's really that sauce is really good.
Or if you wanted to take it up, grill some bacon and add bacon.
Oh,
Because everything's better with bacon. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'm Chef Ted Reeder. This is my buddy Craig Venn, 94.9 The Rock with Craig Venn and Lucky, and we talk barbecue. Cheers.
Cheers,
Tune in next
cheers.
week. We got something else cooking.
you're my sweet potato.
Oh. Love ya.
Joel, get that in you, buddy. Get that in you. Have some sweet potato.